Are you looking for the best coffee makers? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best coffee makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Technivorm Moccamaster KBGV Select 10-Cup Coffee Maker. The Technivorm Moccamaster is known for delivering high-quality coffee at an impressive speed of 6 minutes. It has a larger footprint, which isn't ideal for more compact kitchens, but it is a top contender whenever we test coffee makers due to its consistency and ease of use. It has a copper heating element, which allows the machine to maintain an ideal brewing temperature, resulting in better coffee. It also features a showerhead-style spout to evenly saturate the grounds, like a pour-over, without the manual work. While it is a pricier machine, it's worth every penny and resides on many of our editors' countertops, and for that, we declare it our favorite. Number 2. OXO Brew 8-Cup Coffee Maker. If you're looking for a slightly less expensive option, this one from OXO still holds the Specialty Coffee Association designation, and comes in around $150 less. We like a few things about this coffee maker. The Rainmaker head distributes the coffee evenly and quickly, resulting in flavorful and aromatic coffee. The stainless steel construction feels of quality. We appreciate the design of the carafe, and the thermal insulation does a stellar job of keeping the coffee warm. It's a basic, no-frills machine, but it's just modern enough for our taste and has the right functions to make this a top choice. Number 3. Breville the Grind Control Coffee Maker. It's hard to beat a freshly ground cup of coffee in the morning, and the Breville Grind Control is the only machine you will ever buy for drip coffee with a built-in grinder. It has a large capacity and a stainless steel thermal carafe to keep coffee warmer longer. The machine takes some dialing in when you first use it, but coffee enthusiasts who value precision and control will be pleased with how you can tailor the machine to your tastes. You can brew up to 12 cups, but the machine also has various controls to customize the grind and, therefore, the strength. It's also a beautiful machine with an intuitive digital display you control with knobs and push buttons. It just takes a bit of dialing in at first and descaling when prompted to keep it in perfect working order. Number 4. Breville the Barista Express Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine consistently performs well in our espresso machine testing. It is one of the best espresso machines on the market for cafe-quality drinks. It has all the essentials, like a tamper frother and a built-in grinder. Depending on your level of expertise and desire, it offers both automatic and manual operation. Even though it is an expensive machine, it's cheaper than the next Breville on our list. Even with all of its bells and whistles, it's still user-friendly, even for beginner coffee connoisseurs. Like many of Breville's products, especially their coffee makers, this machine is built to last many years. Number 5. Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine is the top of the line for automatic espresso machines. It has a touch screen that enables you to select automatic milk texturing and customizable settings for espresso-based drinks, such as cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, and more. It heats up incredibly fast, so you don't need to wait, and the burr grinder ensures that each bean gets the appropriate amount of extraction during brewing. This is the more expensive Breville model from our testing, but it's designed for advanced users with a discerning coffee taste. Number 6. Terra Kaffe TK02 Connected Super Automatic Espresso Machine. If you're looking for an ultra-streamlined machine with all the features, we recommend the Terra Kaffe TK02. Complete with a scrolling touchscreen, the modern machine offers drip and espresso-based drinks, uses whole or pre-ground beans, and even has Wi-Fi capabilities, so your perfect cup is always within reach. Use any type of milk you like, and choose between hot and iced coffee. In addition, it senses when to run rinse and deep clean cycles. It's another favorite among staff, and if you prioritize versatility and ease when it comes to your coffee, we think it's worth the $1,700 price tag. Number 7. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine. For a heavy hitter that doesn't take up much space, we recommend Breville's Bambino Plus. It has consistently come out on top during multiple rounds of testing, offering excellent espresso with thick, lasting crema, compact, well-formed espresso pucks, and a semi-automatic frothing wand that delivers silky, dense microfoam. It's ideal for any skill level, from beginner to expert, and is particularly suitable for those with limited space.